So we shouldn't have any errors there. Now we just need to go and create this class here. So you can just hover over it and create it, and it'll put it where it needs to be and name it the correct thing. So now we have this. Let's just go grab like dirt real quick so we can just copy all of dirt, paste it in here, get rid of this crap. Alright, we change this to block redstone whoops, can't type, light block, and copy that same thing down here, and shouldn't have any more errors. Alright, so IJ, and then we're just gonna make this rock. Now what we're gonna do is basically add the properties that allows it to be affected by redstone. So all you can do is come down here and find something that's already affected by redstone, like dispenser. And what we're looking for is, where is it? This, on public void on neighbor block change, and public void update tick. So we're going to copy all of this here, copy, paste, and for this, we just need to get rid of this because we want it to be looking for a state change all the time. Okay, get rid of that. Alright, so we have that done. This is basically just telling it when to look for a state change, its coordinates, block ID. This here, basically, this is, oops. Alright, come on, delete, there we go. This here is when powered, and if we come down here and put in else, and so this will be not powered. So what we need to do is when it's powered, we need to do world, oops, hold on, think. Alright, whatever, we can do world dot set block, and now what we can do is set block with notify. So you set that, we've got its coordinates, IJK, and then instead of L, what we want to do is we're going to put our block name. So it'll be mod tutorial and dot, and we're going to want this to be redstone on dot block ID. So when it's powered, it changes this block to redstone on. Else, when it's not powered, you want to do world.set block notify, and you want to do redstone off. Put these at the end. And why is this giving me an error? Oops, spelled wrong. That would help. Okay, so that's done. And we come over here. Alright. So let's try and run this. Oh, let me show you the textures I've put in. Oops. Where am I going? MCP. These are the textures that I have already created. Mods, tutorial. This is the off version, and this is the on version. They're just brighter. And I've already inserted them into the jar, so if we run this, it should work fine. Loading up. Oh. Brought it to the background. Okay. So we can start it up here. I already went ahead and got us some redstone stuff, so we're going to test out this recipe just first. And redstone light block. So if we set this here, and we power it, it's kind of hard to see. Here, let's go underground. Create a little dark test chamber real quick. There we go. Sorry if it's hard to see in here. Just had to make it darker so we can test this out correctly. And there we go. New block. Flip the switch. Turns on. Flip the switch again. Turns off. There are a couple glitches though, which I haven't quite figured out how to fix yet. If you put a torch down, it changes it to the light version, but it won't change back. So if there's a torch directly next to it, it won't be able to change back. And that goes like the same with up here. It changes the block over, but then it doesn't change back. So that's about it for this one, and I'll see you next time.